Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add effects on your videos using Clipchamp. If you are looking to take your videos to the next level, adding effects is one of the easiest and most fun ways to do it. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. Now here you can find the option of edit. Simply tap on it. Now here you can find the option of effects. Now tap on it. From here you can find a lot of effects that you can add to your videos, however you like it. Now choose one effect that you like the most and tap on to the check mark button right here, and you can see the effect has been added to your videos. And there you have it, you have successfully added some awesome effects to your video in Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.